Yo, what's up guys, this is Mr. Craig. Guys, in this video I want to be showing you how to get 1.5 gigabyte data for just 200 naira. Honestly, this is really working. In my previous video I talked about getting 1 gigabyte for 200 naira. So I noticed that MTN has updated their system and they are giving out 1.5 gigabyte data for 200 naira. So that's why I have to bring it to you guys, as you are all my fans. So without wasting much of your time guys, please stay tuned. Let's dive in for the tutorial. All right guys, I like showing practical, so go to your dialer and type with me *312*88# understand? Oh yeah, now let's go. As you can see, it says you will be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 gigabyte data plus 500 megabytes monthly plan. Take note, this is a monthly plan. It says to proceed, select 1, which is one-off purchase. So guys, this is a monthly plan and not 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Though it may finish before the time. Maybe you are doing it today and it finishes today, understand? You can still do it again today. I don't know if you get my point. You can still do a subscribe again today with just 200 naira. You get another 1.5. so with if you are subscribing like 1000 naira, so you'll be getting 7.5 gigabyte data. And the good part of it is that it lasts for 30 days, for 1 month. So this is something you should do it now that it is working. Understand? It is working right away. Please do it now. I have to be honest with you guys, this is not working for all MTN users. So if you try and it doesn't work for you, you can try. If you have like 2 MTN lines, you can try. If you try with this other one, it doesn't work, you can try with the other line. So you get my point. You can still share it so that your friends can benefit from this, but it is working. Just try it. Yeah, because some people are not eligible for this particular offer. So guys, thank you for watching up to this moment. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification icon. Why you should turn on the bell notification icon and also subscribe is so that whenever I drop another amazing video like this, you'll be the first to be notified and you will watch it and then take action immediately. You know, all these codes does not last forever. These telecommunication networks, they do change them. So that is the main reason you should subscribe, so that you'll be notified on the one that is working and you can take action immediately. So guys, thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and share this video. If you have any issue, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to assist you. So see you in our next video.